Gilbarco Videroute is the leading manufacturer of outdoor terminals in Europe, with more than 20,000 terminals installed in the region. The FlexPay family is the result of years of innovation and witnesses Gilbarco Videroute capability in serving the market with top level of security, reliability and compliance to the most demanding security standards and regulations. Gilbarco Spot Payment Technology uniquely combines compliance with PCI and EMV security standards with the most effective user experience. Spot M4 is the only PCI-approved payment platform which allows producing terminals with a single touch-enabled screen, both for asking the PIN code and for showing free multimedia content. The FlexPay B2B is the ultimate solution in the outdoor terminal market. With a touch-sensitive 12 inches color screen, LED-based lighting, integrated barcode reader, and ready for contactless cards. The B2B has introduced the concept of double-phase terminals to increase the service speed, usability, and the confidence for final users. The terminal is designed for easy maintenance with separate access for different users. FlexPay NP3 is the single-side terminal in the FlexPay family, based on very light design but still rich of options and ready for customization. Spot OPT is the evolution of one of the most successful terminals across Europe, which has defined the security and robustness standards for banknote acceptance. When banknote acceptance is not requested, the Spot technology is available in the FlexPay NC3L CRIND. Leveraging Spot M3 and Spot M4 modularity, the FlexPay CRIND can be adapted to fit in the most common dispensers for easy creation of fast lanes and unattended sites.